Good morning, second grade. I just wanted to make you a quick little video because this would have been the week that we would have done our performance for our parents. And I know how sad we all are that we didn't get to do this. I've been thinking about this a lot this coming into this week. So I am posting on not your assignment, it's really not an assignment. I'm posting some links to some of the songs that we were going to sing, with the lyrics. So if you want to sing along, you can. This is in addition to your assignment. This is not an assignment. This is just for you to listen to because I know you're missing the songs like I am. I wanted to post on the day you were born, but the music for that one is in my classroom and I can't get into my classroom to get the piano part for that. But I am posting a few others. Okay, so just know that I'm thinking about you and I'm missing what would have been this really special day. We'll do something special when we're back to school next year. So I just wanted to let you know how much I miss you. I hope you guys are doing well. Come visit me on Zoom times this week. I'm going to be reading some stories on Zoom. I got some new books in the mail that I'm kind of dying to read. So come visit me on Zoom and we'll read some books together. All right, I hope you guys are doing well.